Hi, my name is Ali Fatima Adamu.
My name is Michael Onoja.
And my name is Samson Okaludo.
I graduated from Government Secondary School Season 3 Abuja in 2016. In 2014, in my SS1 class, I was privileged to participate in the SOS Bridge Program.
Now I was among the graduating class of 2017 at GSS Jabi.
I joined SOS Bridge Program in 2014 in Government Secondary School Wuse Zone 3. I graduated from the school in 2016. Before I joined the SOS Bridge Program, I was always been very hungry for opportunities. So when I heard that the program came into my school, I jumped at it immediately.
Before the Bridge Program, I was not exposed socially, career-wise, and academically.
Two main skills that I took away from the program was teamwork skills and commercial awareness.
The program gave me enlightenment on the need for employability skills, and that helped me build my skills and increase my self-awareness.
I learned about soft skills such as communication, leadership, entrepreneurship skills, among others. SOS gave me the opportunities to have full scholarship from my secondary school to my university education.
Through the insight opportunity I received through the foundation at Shiroro Hydroelectric, I discovered that electrical engineering was a cool job, but it doesn't really fit my introverted personality. So I decided I was going to use the skills I got from the commercial awareness workshop to make research online, and I discovered software development.
Currently, I am the first person in my family to attend a tertiary institution.
The most interesting part for me is that I was assigned a career mentor who was always willing to guide me. I got my first laptop ever from a mentor I had never met.
Foundation helped me to get a paid internship with an Irish organization. With this Irish organization, I now work full-time as a software developer.
I am an admin intern with the Skills Outside School Foundation.
I am currently interning in an accounting firm.
I am particularly excited to call out to individuals around the globe to kindly support by donating to the Skills Outside School Bridge Program.
I would like to call out to well-meaning individuals around the globe to donate and support the SOS Bridge Program so other young people like me can have access and opportunities I had.
I want to use this opportunity right now to call upon individuals and organizations that see what SOS is doing. This thing that SOS is doing, helping students find the right path and helping them to develop their careers in that path, is very vital. A lot of young people are making mistakes with the career choices that they are making, and they are not getting the right skills that will help them thrive in the industry. If workers are failing, organizations will fail, and if organizations are failing, it will have a negative effect on the economy. Therefore, we need people to come and become financial partners with SOS Foundation. If you do this, we'll be very glad with you. Thank you very much.